sort of stuff. That's what I got.
Michael?
Okay, yeah, put the, some dehumidifiers in the heating system at the fire department.
Second floor.
Second floor. Seems to have taken care of the humidity issues there. Keeps telling, but you're running 53% humidity.
Yeah, 55 average.
And you were running in the 80s, right?
Yeah.
So so he's tracking it on both floors, and so we're thinking about looking at doing the first floor also. But we want to run another month or so on the.
Well, we're gonna get them out to take a look at what it'd take to do the downstairs, get some numbers together. Now we know the second floor is pretty much working like planned, but that'll be the next step.
Yeah.
Get some numbers together and figure out how we're gonna do it, because first floor mechanical room is a little different than the second floor.
Okay. Keep suppressed and just